In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on post approval in Facebook group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first you need to open up Facebook app, and once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. After that, add groups. At the very top here, select your groups. That will show you all the groups you manage here. Here I got just one group. So now I'm gonna tap on it. And here we need to tap this manage button next to in white. After that we'll be taken to manage group page. And here we need to scroll down and tap at group settings. And here at group settings, we need to scroll down until you find post approval option. As you can see now, it is set to all. However, we can easily change it by turning it on. In that simple way, if this feature is enabled, any posts need to be approved by admins or moderators before it is published in the group. Just don't forget to hit add save to apply the changes. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.